Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Crypto Bubble app easy method. Open the app, create or import a wallet using your seed phrase, then enable notifications for price bubbles. Tap the bubble icon to view charts, set a buy or sell alert, and confirm with two-factor authentication. Monitor your bubbles, adjust alert thresholds, and use the in-app tutorial for guided trades and risk settings. Practice with small amounts before trading larger positions. Create a strong password and back up your seed phrase securely. Use biometrics, enable two-factor authentication, and never share recovery words. Fund the wallet with a small test amount, learn the fee structure, and explore the bubble heat map to spot momentum. Customize alerts, set risk limits, and practice order types in the demo mode to build confidence before committing significant funds. Check transaction history regularly and reconcile with exchange statements to avoid surprises. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Oala water bottle, a handy companion during marathon trading sessions. It fits cup holders, keeps water cold, and adds a simple wellness boost while you watch price bubbles. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember to stay safe with your funds. Now let's get back to the video. Use limit and market orders inside bubble views to control entry and exit. Adjust bubble sensitivity to filter noise and enable sound alerts for rapid moves. Track portfolio performance, export trade history to CSV, and set recurring buys if supported. Join community channels for strategy ideas, but verify sources and always use position sizing rules to protect capital. Start small, review mistakes, and iterate your plan weekly to improve results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.